वो हैरत से मफलूज होकर खड़ी थी।
She stood paralyzed with amazement. She stood paralyzed with amazement.
इसने मुस्कुराते हुए मुझे मदद की पेशकश की।
He offered to assist me with a smile. He offered to assist me with a smile.
मैं काम करने के लिए दस्तैब हूँ।
I am available to do the task. I am available to do the task.
मैं आपकी बात पर अमल करूँगा।
I will take you up on your word. I will take you up on your word.
वो इसकी तवज्जो मंजर से हटाने की कोशिश कर रही थी।
She was trying to divert his attention from the scene. She was trying to divert his attention from the scene.
इन्होंने उसे एहतियात से देखा।
They eyed her with caution. They eyed her with caution.
इसका लहजा हकारत से भरा हुआ था।
Her tone was one of contempt. Her tone was one of contempt.
मैं इन्हें तुमसे बेहतर जानता था।
I knew them better than you did. I knew them better than you did.
किश्ती को मुख्तलिफ सिमत में ले जाएं।
Steer the boat in a different direction. Steer the boat in a different direction.
कार्ड तेजी से अलमारी में रखा।
The card was put in the cupboard quickly. The card was put in the cupboard quickly.